if n cap equal to a I cap plus b j cap is perpendicular to the vector I cap plus j cap, then the value of a and b may be. Here two vectors are given which are perpendicular to each other. So if vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product will be 0, or we can say if dot product of two vectors are 0, then a vector will be perpendicular to b vector. Therefore, if a condition is given that two vectors are perpendicular, we can simply make dot product of those two vectors. Here, according to our question, n cap, which is given as ai cap plus b j cap, is perpendicular to I cap plus j cap. Therefore, dot product of these two vectors should be 0. So, we will dot product these two vectors, which can be written like this: ai cap plus j cap dot product with I cap plus j cap. So, when we are doing dot product, we can simply multiply I cap with I cap and j cap with j cap. So, I cap having coefficient a in first bracket and 1 in second bracket, they can be directly multiplied, plus j cap having coefficient b in first bracket and 1 in second bracket. So, here we will see a plus b should be equal to 0 for making these two vectors perpendicular to each other, means a should be equal to minus b. So, according to our cases which are given, first one is 1, 0. If we consider a equal to 1 and b equal to 0, then a plus b is not equal to 0, which is our requirement. So, this is not the case which we are finding. Second case, minus 2, 0. Suppose we have considered a equal to minus 2 and b equal to 0. Again, we can see a plus b is not equal to 0, which has to be the requirement of our case. Case third, in which 3, 0 is given. So, if we consider a equal to 3 and b equal to 0, again a plus b is not equal to 0. Now, we will move on to the fourth case, in which it is given 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. So, if we consider a equal to 1 by root 2 and b equal to minus 1 by root 2. So, we can see a plus b will be equal to 0, or a will be equal to minus b. Therefore, this is our case. So, answer of this question, that is the value of a and b according to the different cases, we are getting 1 by root 2 comma minus of 1 by root 2. Thank you.